Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change password on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, then click as getting started to create your account if you don't have an account. If you don't know even how to follow the steps or of creating your account, go check one of our videos in the channel. It will actually show you the steps correctly how to do that. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that though, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait until it loads, and that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. So if you want to actually change your password, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top left corner. Then from there, all you need to do, just click add profile and settings right here. So as you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you'll not find any like accounts that will let you change your password or anything. So all you need to do, just go and click add change security and settings. So if you click on that, this will actually takes you into your default browser on your phone, and as you can see, you can open it on Coinbase or Google Chrome. For me, the browser on Coinbase is not working for me, so I'm using it on Chrome. So let's just wait until the Chrome loads. Of course, you can use it for you on Coinbase because they have an option called right there browser on the Coinbase application. So let's just dismiss that. So as you can see, if you want to change your password or reset your password, just click here at change your password, and from here you would like to tap your old password, then type your new, and you would like to confirm your new password, then enter the code that they will send you through the phone number that you already entered while creating your account. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.